Hello everyone, God bless you. Welcome back to part 2 of our series, The Importance of Anointing Your Head with Anointing Oil in Jesus' mighty name. If you've not watched part 1, check the link above or check the link below in Jesus' mighty name. We saw that the shepherds anoint their sheep with oil to destroy the pests that want to come and lay eggs on the head of the sheep in Jesus' mighty name. We see this also in Psalms 23 verse 5, that Jesus, our good shepherd, he anoints us and he prepares a table before us in the presence of our enemies, and anoints our head with oil and causes our cup to run over in Jesus' mighty name. And he does this because he destroys our enemies. That is how God is going to destroy our enemies, the enemies of our life and destiny, in Jesus' mighty name, and cause our cup of blessing to overflow in Jesus' mighty name. God bless you.